Welcome to another itcollegehack.co.uk video. Today we're going to take a look at just a few of the new features of the Windows 8.1 preview. Windows 8.1 preview is the early, I suppose, beta release of Windows 8.1, so it's not fully finished yet, but does give us a good idea of the things that we can expect when Windows 8.1 releases as a free update later this year. So I suppose the elephant in the room is the new Start menu, or lack thereof as the case may be. If you go to desktop mode, you'll see now on the taskbar at the bottom the Windows logo has reappeared in its familiar location, but that really is as close as it gets to being a Start menu bar. It no longer pulls up to a menu list. If you click on it, it just takes you back to the Start page. In actual fact, this feature always existed within Windows 8. It just looked and acted slightly differently. So that's that. Other new features with Windows 8. We have the ability to resize our tiles. You may notice some of these are bigger already. You right click on one, there's the option to resize. There are options of wide, medium and small. So small is the tiny ones, like that. And then we have medium. And wide. And also on some tiles large. So that I can set the maps to be a large tile. We also have options to name groups, so you can actually sort all your tiles out into different groups if you want to. So you could have a group of your games, a group of your web editing apps, and so on and so forth, which I think is quite handy. Backgrounds have also changed with Windows 8. You've got a greater selection of backgrounds, some of which now move, and you should also in full release be able to add in the backgrounds that you're using for your desktop background, so you could use your own photograph if you wanted, and that's easy to change. You've also got more options of background colours to go to, with different accents. You can personalise Windows 8 8.1 even, sorry, far more than you could personalise Windows 8. Another new feature is on the lock screen. You've also got more user control set from here. You don't have to go into control panel anymore for a lot of actions. You see here PC and devices, and we've got things like PC information here now as well. So lock screen, pretty much same as before, except now you'll notice the option to play a slideshow, and if you click that to on, you can select the folder that you want to have your pictures slideshow from. By default it's pictures, but if you have pictures saved to another location, it's easy enough to go to add folder and select the location where your pictures are stored, and then when your computer's on the lock screen, it will just scroll through your entire album. It's quite a good feature. Could be good if you want to use your tablet as a picture frame when not in use. Other options we have now the display option on this side. Instead of having to use a control panel, we can also have resolution and everything here. Access devices that are installed on the computer. Things like what the mouse does. How we type corners and edges. We can alter what the charm bars do, which is also a new feature. Several apps within Windows 8.1 have also been enhanced. You'll find better search functionality, and also enhanced and changed music apps, as well as video and pictures, that sort of thing. Windows 8.1 also has SkyDrive fully integrated into it. It's no longer a standalone app installed on the program, it's part of the operating system. which also means that you can save things directly to the SkyDrive that you have set up. For example, we just pull up Notepad, create a new file, save. You'll see that as well as being able to save to the computer, to the standard documents folders, etc., we also can save directly to the SkyDrive. One last feature that Windows 8.1 is now providing is better use of apps, and be able to have several apps up on the screen at one time. So if I put up music, drag it in, and you see we've now got it set. It's on the bar. Then we go back to the start, put the Videos app, and we get the Videos app on either side. And you can scale the size of these any way you want. That's about all for today for Windows 8.1. I'll be doing more videos as I get more comfortable with new features of Windows 8.1 and as we get closer to the full release.